It is Friday, July 31st, 2020, 8:30 p.m. And here's the 2004 Tempstar 4-ton air conditioner running. Nice and cold and sweaty. Even though it's about 8:30, it's still about 90 degrees and humid. But this unit seems to be working well. It's usually this one that runs, and this one's usually off. This, I believe, is the second time I've seen this unit run all year. Don't want to get too close to that one because when it starts up, it's super loud. These are probably Tempstar units. And I'll try to get a start with this unit sometime in the near future. Got a start with that one yesterday. And I'll also try to get a start of the 3-ton ICP unit. But that one seems to run all day, so it'll have to be early in the morning before it gets too hot. Well, thank you for watching.